What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here, back with another video. If this is your first time here, make sure you smash that thumbs up button and also subscribe, because today what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to go from $0 to $1,000 per month with affiliate marketing. So if you've ever been interested in affiliate marketing, I want to show you how to do that and the secret behind making that money. So if you're ready, let's jump in the video and I'm going to show you exactly how you can do it. Now, before we begin, I first just want to show you a couple things. First, I have a free private Facebook group. It's called Affiliate Marketing through YouTube. So you can actually go join that group. I'll put a link to it down in the description box below, so you can go and check it out. Again, it's absolutely free, and we provide just a bunch of value on how you can make money through affiliate marketing using YouTube. All right, so what you're really wondering, how do I go from $0 to $1,000 per month with affiliate marketing? How do I do it? What are the steps? Well, there's actually three main steps, three very basic steps that you need to follow, okay? Step number one is you need to find a product. Now, I know what you're gonna ask, okay? Well, what kind of product do I choose? Well, it's really up to you. What I suggest, if you want to get from $0 to $1,000 per month quickly, choose a product that's going to pay you a commission between $50 and $100. If you choose anything that's less than that, it's going to require more sales, which usually means more traffic, which also means usually more time. Okay, so step number one, find a product. Step number two, you are going to create a hub video and put that on YouTube. Now, what is a hub video? Well, think about a hub such as a tire. Okay, you got your tire. Okay, I'll throw up a little picture so you can kind of get the idea. The hub is the center of the tire, the very middle. Okay, and then you got all those spokes that are coming from the outside of the tire or the rim back to the center. Okay, so they're coming into the hub. The reason why we create a hub video is so that we can create additional videos, or they be called the spokes, and those spoke videos are pointing all the traffic to our hub. Now let me explain how this really works. The way this works and the reason why this works so well, and I'm going to explain it in just a second using an actual physical product to give you an idea, but the reason this works so well is because we create a bunch of spokes, talking about different reviews and products and solutions to a problem, and we send all that traffic to a hub, which the hub is usually like 5 best keyboards or 5 best mountain bikes under $1,000 or something like that, okay? And the reason why this hub works so well is because the hub is where we are pushing the sales, where we're pushing somebody to make a decision and buy the product. In the other spoke videos, that's not the case. The goal with the spoke videos is just to get people engaged, get their attention. You'll make sure that they see the video, see all the value, then we send them over to the sales video. And from there, that's where we're trying to close these sales. And it works. It's very easy, it's very effective. This is actually one of the strategies that I go over inside one of my courses called The Passive YouTuber. If you're not enrolled in that, I highly recommend you do it. You're missing out. Put a link down in the description box below along with a $100 discount code, so if you want to get in, you can go and get in right now. Now, this strategy using the spoke videos and a hub video, it's not new. It's not something I came up with. It's a strategy that I learned from other people. I took other people's strategies, put them together, and this is what I came up with, and it works. It's not something new, okay? So it's something that has been around for a while. Maybe you've never heard of it. That's because a lot of people don't talk about it, but it does work. It's a great way to drive traffic to your offers. Another thing that I highly recommend, if you haven't done so already, there's a new book out by Russell Brunson. It's called Traffic Secrets. This book, it's absolutely free. All you gotta do is pay shipping for this book. I think it's like $7.99 for a brand new book. And you buy this book, and he's gonna teach you all his secrets to how to get more traffic to your offers. These secrets and the stuff that he's gonna show you inside this book are the same secrets he used to grow his company, ClickFunnels, from a brand new company to over $100 million in revenue. So if this is something that you're wanting to see, this is something that you need, you want more traffic to your offers, because frankly, everybody needs more traffic, go and get the book. Again, I'll put the link down to the book down in the description box below so you can go get it. Again, it's free. You just gotta cover the shipping. So I'm gonna give you some tips on how to really make this work, how to go from $0 to $1,000 per month through affiliate marketing very quickly. However, I first want to explain the hub and spoke videos, okay? So let's say I have 5 different keyboards, 5 different wireless keyboards. Even if you don't have those keyboards, that's fine. You have, let's say, 1 keyboard and you do the other reviews based on the reviews that you see on Amazon, the reviews you find on Google, the pictures you can find as well, people actually using the product, okay? And so let's say I take all those images, all those videos, all the different information I can get, and I create a video titled 5 Best Wireless Keyboards Under $35. And I talk about this keyboard right here. This right here is a Logitech MK335. You can't see it, but back on my desk over here I have a Logitech K330 or something. But these work really well. They run on batteries. Okay, you know, this one brand new. I usually keep a handful of these, a bunch of these on hand because I usually go through them fairly quickly. I'm always on the computer, so obviously I use them and burn through them. So the hub video is going to talk about the 5 best wireless keyboards under $35. The spoke videos, okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a spoke video, which is going to be the Logitech MK355 review, best keyboard under $35. That's going to be my title. And the reason why this works is because I do a full review on this product, and whether I say this is the best product or not doesn't matter, because at the end of the spoke video, that's when I say, you know, to be honest with you guys, this is a very good quality product. However, for the price, I would recommend you buy this product instead. And if you want to learn more about that product, go and check out the video review I did talking about the 5 best wireless keyboards under $35. So what do you think happens there? The viewer that was just watching this video, when I was reviewing this this keyboard on that spoke video, they now go over to watch that hub video. And in that hub video, that's why I'm pushing a sale on one of these products, because I'm showing them 5 different keyboards. 5 different keyboards, all right around the same price point, different features, different pros, different cons, and because of that, they're likely to pick one of those 5. So how cool is that? I create one video, drive all my traffic to that one video, and that's where it's getting the majority of my sales. And it happens, and it's easy. And if you can do this time and time again, you create more hubs, you create additional spokes, you know, that's where you really start to ramp up your affiliate business. And you go from $0 to $1,000 per month, then you go from $0 to $5,000 per month, then you go from $0 to $10,000 per month. It doesn't take long, but again, it takes effort, it takes some work. One of the most common reasons that I get from people as to why they just can't make money with affiliate marketing is because they don't like to use YouTube. And I get it, and that's fine. You don't have to use YouTube. But what I'm here to tell you is YouTube is going to be the fastest way, the fastest method to go from 0 to 1,000. And I say this because most people don't understand how to run ads on Facebook or Instagram. And because of that, or they don't have the money, and because of that, they're looking for a free method to make money online. Affiliate marketing is a free method. What other free methods are out there? Well, there's Instagram, there's Facebook, okay? There's YouTube. Again, use YouTube. If you don't understand Facebook, you don't understand Instagram, you don't understand YouTube, figure out one of those, okay? Those are the 3 best places to get traffic right now. In 2020, that's where you need to get the traffic. If you're not using one of those 3 methods, you're missing out. Now, I'm currently working with a handful of students that are going through my passive YouTuber course, and this is the exact same process, the exact same technique I'm showing them as well. So it's not anything that, you know, if you get inside the passive YouTuber and you're thinking, okay, he's gonna give me these secrets and it's gonna work like this. I give you a bunch of secrets, bunch of tips, bunch of advice that I don't give out publicly, but at the same time, this is one of the strategies that I do use, and it's not, you know, private strategy, it's completely public. This is one that I use because it works. This is the reason why I'm creating this absolutely free video here on YouTube, because I want you guys to be successful. One of the things that I've noticed is the more people that find success through my videos, usually the more money I make, because they either buy my course, which is great, obviously, or they're willing to pay for other things, different products that I recommend, different services that I have. Okay, so I'm not here to just blow smoke at you guys and be like, hey, this is gonna work. I'm here to tell you it does work. And the reason why I keep giving you more and more tips and tricks and advice on how to make money is because I realize the more money you guys make, usually the more money I make as well. So let me give you guys a few tips when it comes to going from $1,000 or from $0 to $1,000 per month with affiliate marketing. The first tip that I have for you guys is don't pick a product that's just really expensive. Don't pick a $5,000 product because you know, okay, that's gonna be my quickest way of making money. Is I need to sell this $5,000 TV because I know if I sell this $5,000 TV, I'm gonna make X amount of dollars. That's gonna give me the majority of my income, and so I just need to make like 2 or 3 sales per month to get to my $1,000 goal. That's understandable. I get it. I understand the math. Here's the problem with that type of thinking. You have to spend more time in front of a customer, in front of a potential customer, before they're actually gonna buy that product. Now, there are products on Amazon that you can make, $1,000 on. There's not a lot, but there are some out there. So just understand you can sell those things, but chances are it's going to be very tough to get a customer to buy that product, especially early on. So what I recommend to you is find something that's going to sell for anywhere between, let's say, $100 to $500, because that's going to be a price point that a lot of people can afford. Let's say a $450 TV. Well, that's a very simple, basic, it's a good price point for a TV. And that's going to give you a decent amount of income from that commission from Amazon. So, like I said, don't go after the top of the tier, the highest dollar amount products, because chances are the amount of people out there that are willing to pay for that is smaller. So because of that, you're going to have a tough time finding a buyer. The next piece of advice that I have for you guys talks about the hub. Okay, that's the main thing. If you don't have a good hub video, you're gonna have a tough time selling any product. So doing the review is great, but the problem is if you're not really selling inside the review and you're counting on the hub video to do all your sales, the problem with that, if the hub video is done very poorly, the quality just isn't there, it's not done right, there's absolutely no editing, the hard part is people are probably going to click off before they even buy a product. So because of that, what I recommend is try out the hub video and see if it works. If it doesn't, if it's not getting sales, you're getting traffic, you're getting views, but absolutely no sales, the hub video is just not doing what it's meant to do. So what I recommend is go back, make some adjustments, make the video better, make it longer, add more information, maybe do some cool effects or something, and really improve on the hub video. Because if the hub video is done poorly, you're gonna get no sales. And no sales is gonna ruin your chances of going from $0 to $1,000 per month with affiliate marketing. The third piece of advice that I have for you guys is to understand that every single hub video that you create is not going to get the most sales possible, okay? It's just not gonna happen. It's not like, okay, I'm gonna create 5 spoke videos, 1 hub video, send all my traffic to that video, and then I should make $1,000 from that one video every single month. Sometimes it works like that, and that's great. Other times it doesn't work necessarily that easy. Sometimes you gotta create 5 and make 1, send all that traffic, and it's only getting like $250 a month. Okay, so now I had to do 10 videos, send it to that one. All right, now I'm about $600 per video, or per month. Cool, now I'm gonna double that, do 20 spoke videos to that one hub video. And that might get you to that $1,000 per month from that one hub video. Sometimes that's just what it takes. Sometimes it's not the same amount of spoke videos going to a hub video to reach $1,000. I kind of go over this, and I mention this inside one of my free trainings that I have. It's a training that I show you how to make $500 per month from one single YouTube video. So if you want to go and get that training, again, it's absolutely free. I'll put a link down in the description box below so you can go and check it out if you want to. But again, that's just one thing you need to understand is sometimes these videos take a little bit more work. Sometimes the products that you're reviewing just don't sell as quickly as others. Maybe there's a certain time of the year that electronics sell better than like clothing or shoes or different household items. So because of that, you got to understand there's a time, there's a place for every single video. You just got to figure out, is that time now? Alright guys, so there you have it. That is exactly how you can go from $0 to $1,000 per month with affiliate marketing. The goal, the key here is to create quality content, to create engaging videos, to create stuff that is going to provide value to somebody's life. If you can't do that, YouTube affiliate marketing just might not be for you. So if you have any questions along the way, you can always ask your questions. I always recommend you ask your questions here on YouTube. Just go down to the comment section below, ask your question, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Lastly, if you enjoyed today's video, want more videos on affiliate marketing and just how to make money online, make sure you smash that thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't done so already. Also, click that notification bell so the next time I publish a video, you get notified, which means you get all the information as fast as humanly possible. So again, if you have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys on the next one.